Alright, so good day everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ebong and today I'll be showing you how to make the brown canoe soap. You know that brown canoe soap you see in the market? The brown, the yellow and the golden color canoe soap. So I'll be showing you how to actually make this soap. It's going to be a wonderful and easy video. I'll be showing you a very good practical on how this soap is being made. And also if you want to learn more about how to make this soap in larger quantity, because maybe let me say you're having issues taking measurements, you can do well by joining my online class. If you check the description of this video, you will see a link that will take you to WhatsApp where you will be able to join my online class. There I teach a lot of skincare production. I teach body cream, hair cream, Vaseline, organic soap, organic cream, everything skincare. And also there you can also ask your questions on where you've been having issues on soap making and other skincare production. So watch this video and see you at the class. Alright, so we'll just go straight into the production of canoe soap. And also don't forget that canoe soap usually have up to 3 or more colors. If you get to the market, you could see some that look very brown. You could see others that look yellow. Then you can see some that have gold color, like the Savon canoe soap. It has a gold color. So the color of your canoe soap is determined how you mix your oils. That is, you can determine the color of your canoe soap by how you mix your oils. Like if you use more of red oil and little of palm kernel oil, that is, you mix the two oils together, more of red and little of palm kernel oil, you will have a very brown canoe soap. If you use half of palm kernel oil with half of palm oil, that is, you mix the two together, you come out with a yellow canoe soap. Then if you use only palm kernel oil, you will have a gold canoe soap. So in this video, we'll be using only palm kernel oil to achieve a gold color canoe soap. So this is the ingredient that I have been showing you here. These are all, we are using only 5 ingredients to produce this stuff. We are using the stearic acid, caustic soda, palm kernel oil, water and ethanol. So ethanol is very, very important in this production. So just watch, follow everything I do. All right, so this canoe soap can be achieved by the hot process soap making method, implying that you're going to cook this soap. We will cook it. Okay, that's my oil and caustic soda mixture. It has started thickening up. I'm going to put it into this stainless jug. So you can see how I'm actually doing it there. It's not actually hard. Just scoop it and put into your stainless jug. If you have a pot, you can use it. Anything that you know that will be able to stand heat, like pot or stainless, you can make use of it. Next, I'll be adding my ethanol. I'm going to pour the ethanol into the soap mixture that is inside my stainless jug. Then I'm going to stir it. I will stir it till the whole soap mixture has this. Okay, it's not actually completely dissolved, but at least majority of it is going to dissolve in my ethanol. So I will stir till majority of my soap mixture has dissolved. Next, I'll be using waterproof to cover the jug because ethanol can easily evaporate at the presence of heat. And at the same time, you have to be careful of the heat source you're using because too much heat can lead to a fire outbreak. Ethanol is very flammable, so you have to be very careful at this point. Use a low heat in cooking it. So whatsoever heat source you are planning on using to cook your soap, make sure it is set on low because gas and kerosene stove have a way of producing a very high heat. So you have to reduce it. If you're making use of gas or kerosene stove, reduce the heat source very well because ethanol is very flammable. But for this electric stove does not actually produce a lot of heat. So you can leave it on a normal or high setting. But as for your gas and kerosene stove, make sure you set your heat on a very low range because ethanol is very flammable.